Guys, put your hands together for the next comedian, The Wolf. You need a boost?
DT, everybody. Give it up for all the comps that you've seen, man. I've had a great time listening to those guys, and it's been fun. I was trying to record this, so I was hoping those white people would leave, the white ladies. Yeah, no, they didn't leave on time. They were here a little longer than expected. Because I was trying to hit on one of them. Did you see me talking to her? It's so hard to try to talk to these ladies because I'm old, and they're old, and they want somebody young, and I want somebody young. We know we don't want each other, but we know we have to have each other. And it was a mess. I bet you if we were on the stage, I wouldn't have hit on them because you could see all the fucking ugly wrinkles and shit. Like, so, no. It's like I have two grandmas, right? I have my grandma on my mom's side, grandma on the dad's side, and they're both old, right? And then, well, they both have Alzheimer's. And when they get together on Sunday, it looks like they're fighting. One of them's going like this, the other one's going like this. Start fighting! And the cool thing about dating like older ladies, like those ladies, like the golden girls, the cool thing about older ladies is this, check it out. No videotaping, please. I'm just kidding. You don't even have minutes in that cricket fucking phone. You don't have minutes. I can't take a picture, I'm out of minutes. Selfies. Like my mom, I'm gonna take a selfie. You can take it. You're Marianne? Everybody knows you.
I know.
Are you a comedian or are you just a groupie? You're a friend. I like groupies too, you know what I mean? Well, you didn't even have my number. Who are you gonna send it to? Está como la hermana del DT, la hermana de las tetas. No, you know, dating older ladies, and if you guys, for the men, if you dated an older woman, they're the fucking best. First of all, older women, they don't need to get ready. They got ready in the 50s. Yeah, that's cool. Right? Especially the best part for me is, you go up to them, you know, they got the little perm hair. You know them, your girlfriend has it. The perm hair, right? In the sunlight, you can see their cranium. And they look like a dandelion. You can go up to her and give her a kiss or blow her hair off. She bald. You're laughing because you fucked one of these ladies, right? But it's okay. You know. Sometimes it's like, you know, remember that commercial for that Tootsie Pop? How many licks does it take to get to the center? For me, when you have sex with an older woman, how many thrusts does it take to hear that hip breaking? But if you ever have sex with an older lady and her hip pops out, bend her over and pop it right back in, because that's how, like, naturally the body anatomy just, it's like Legos. But without the cartilage. We were speeding, I was speeding on the way over here. Everybody on the freeway to get here was speeding, but I got the ticket, right? And so my thinking is this, if everybody's speeding, shouldn't everybody get the ticket, right? This is what I told the cop. And I told my friend, I'm gonna tell the cops, and he goes, you're gonna be later. He's gonna arrest you. We got warrants. We have cocaine on the CD. Don't tell him anything. Don't say anything. Mejor, let's just let's just go. And I was by myself. And when I say I was with my friend, I don't really mean my friend. I have personalities. One of them is my brother Rafa. He's like, no le digas nada a este güey. No le digas nada al chota, bro, porque pinche smoke Alberta, te hace handcuffed. No te creas, y luego te hace spank. No te creas. But I'm like, dude, this is unfair. Everybody's speeding, we should all get a ticket. Fuck that guy. The cop came to the window, I said, hey, good evening, you fucking fat motherfucker. First of all, bitch face, what happened? Too slow? The little pussy Camaro? Not enough speed? It's because you're so fatty. All the donuts, you fucking fatty. You should have caught everybody. Everybody was fucking speeding. You should give everybody a ticket. But you'll never make detective at this rate, officer, because that's why your partner is fucking your wife. Yeah. And I'm never like that to authority because they have guns and I don't. And he did the most incredible thing. He went like this. After I said all that, he still did this. Roll down your window, sir. I didn't hear what you said. And so I roll down the window, but I have to hold the glass down. It's an older car. Otherwise, it falls inside the door, and then there's a jagged edge sticking out. Then he's gonna say I had a weapon. No, ni madre. So he heard some of it. He goes, "What did you say?" And I want to be a man, and I also didn't want to get arrested. And I said, I stood my ground. Verbatim. I repeated it verbatim. You know what that means? Yeah. It's a verb. It's just atum. What did you say? And I said, "Officer, did I pull over far enough on the side of the road to give you some space and be away from traffic?" I said, "No, listen, man. Hey, bro. Hey, listen. Everybody was speeding. Everybody should get a ticket. But he got me. This is what he did. Son, you ever go fishing?" "Yeah." "Do you ever catch all the fish in the lake?" "No. But if I get one, I'll let him go." And here we are. I just noticed all the tables are numbered. Is this for bingo afterwards? That's why the ladies left. They thought it was bingo, huh? They're like, "Yeah, not bingo, vámonos." You sat at the 10. That's a 10. Hey, you guys are a 10. Oh, look at you. Are you guys single? You guys want to have a threesome? No, a real threesome, like with sex and cock and all that shit. Alright. Going once? Going twice? Closing out. Table 10? No more. What about you, sir? What about you? No, it's a different question. Did you want to have a threesome? Not with me, with them. Want to have a threesome with them? I want to set up for you. You guys like him better? You like him better? Stick out your gut. Stick out your gut. Is it like Curtis? Gee, Curtis had like a six-pack. He's like, you see his six-pack? And he's like, "Sir, turn to the left." He's like, "That wasn't him." He's brilliant. Well, my name is The Wolf. My friends call me Vanessa. I'm originally from Louisiana. My dad's Louise, my mom's Anna. I moved out here recently from El Paso, Texas. That's really true. And everybody said, don't go to Phoenix. It's fucking racist because of that Arpaio thing. And I was like, "No, man. Like, in El Paso, they think I'm white, and they talk shit in front of my face. I'm fucking fully bilingual. I don't know what fully means as far as bilingual, but I understand when you're talking shit to me. Say, pinche güero, culero, pinches gringos. Dile al puto que te dé un pinche disco. Hey, pendejo, me te voy a dar mi madre, in fact, get out of my store." Puto, shit puts. You know, people talk shit in front of me because they think I'm white. No offense to the white people. I love your people, just both of them. You're a Trump supporter, remember? Yes, you are. It's okay. Nobody's gonna talk shit. It's like when you ask somebody, "You're a Dallas Cowboy fan." See? So represented well. It's okay. Fuck Trump, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't think we need a millionaire that's being crazy like this. We thought loco, right? You speak Spanish? I would fuck his daughter. Oh man. You would fuck his daughter. You guys would fuck his daughter. She looks like a fucked up Barbie from China when you order them on Wish.com. There's something about it. They told me Arizona was racist. I really haven't seen it because the white people, they think I'm white too. That he's a darker white. And they said, "Be careful." So when I got my first job out here, it was really weird. I was tense. I'm a master interviewer because I quit every job I have and I go get more. I'm like a hoarder of jobs. Hoarder. I'm doing shinga buscando jobs. I've had 2 interviews at the same time for the same fucking job. They're like, my 3 o'clock is here, and so is my 3:30. I don't even change ties anymore. I just fucking roll up my sleeves. The interview usually starts like this. As I was saying, it's because you didn't let me finish. It's because I am a good worker. I'm a good working. And then they ask you the weirdest questions. They always ask you that bullshit question, and it's not psychological, but they say it is so that you can think it's psychological, and then you get all fucking confused, and you're gonna confess, and you're gonna steal shit. Right? The questions start like this. They go, "Describe a time," and I'm like, "Fuck." And I'm already thinking of all the lies I'm gonna say. Because it happened, it really happened. The time that she's gonna ask about when I helped a co-worker finish a fucking project, because fucking bitch Susie, she wanted to leave early, and they didn't leave early last weekend because I had a show, but no, I had to get to the show late. I gotta fucking take it, but Susie, as you know, and I got mad at that. We was going to have a time when fucking Susie didn't finish her fucking work as usual, and you had to finish it. How did you feel, and what was the result? Well, I went up to the boss and I said, I ain't doing shit, because that's what Susie will do. I thought would go what? And they're like, okay, were you in the military? Yeah. What branch? Oh, Air Force. Really? And I heard her say this shit. I didn't know Mexico had an Air Force. We do. She goes, okay, so since you were in the military, I'm gonna ask you some general questions. I'm like, okay, bitch, but I wasn't a general. Where are you from? I said, I'm from El Paso. Oh my God, you went from one desert to another. I go, yeah, but El Paso's green. She's like, no, I've been to El Paso. It's not green. It's a desert. Bitch, haven't you seen all the Border Patrol agents? It's fucking green. I work for the VA, the Veterans Administration. Any veterans in the house? You're a veteran? You're a veteran? Veterinarians? Any veterans? Hey, can anybody spell VA? Anybody spell VA? I'll give you the first letter, V, for vagina. I'll give you an A, you got one. A. I work at the call center, man. These veterans, the V is not fucked up. It's people that are fucked up. It's people, not the veterans. Some veterans are mamones. Fuck the veterans. I mean, some mamones. They're always mamones. A veteran called me. He's asking me about his AT&T cell phone service. I'm like, okay, what is it? And it's not my business, right? But I wanted to help the guy. He was older, 95 years old. I pulled up his phone. Was it you? I pulled up his phone. He's like, I don't know why my bill's so expensive. I'm like, maybe it's your Wi-Fi. Oh, my Wi-Fi's dead. She died when I was 40. I'm like, not your wifey, but your wife. Fuck it. Can you send me the Viagra? Like, you have the Viagra, so you just told me you had it in your hand. Yeah, I know, but it says it's an A. I go, it's not a leaf, fucker. Turn it upside down. It's Viagra. Like, oh, okay. I need a dental consult. Well, maybe the doctor can put it in for you. Okay. What's a Bluetooth? Oh, motherfucker, you're talking shit to me now. Is this when the comics are bombing really fuck? And so I was this next joke. All right. Anybody who's not Hispanic here? Says you. You're what? That's what it is, what? All right, let me see your vagina. Let me see. Because you can't just go up to a Mexican girl and be like, a ver, let me see your vagina, Lupe. A ver, she'll stab you, right? She'll get all fucking, and the boyfriend will be like, what's wrong, puto? He's trying to take off his shirt, but he never does. And he always makes sure the back with a gun, and they don't have one. He's like, oh. And she had come on, and then, shh. Yeah, you're not the only one. Let him laugh too. What's your name? What? Ooh. You're single? Are you single and ready to mingle? I like chicks. You want my phone number? We can hook up after the show? After work. It's 599. Your eyes are mine. There's a nice gentleman there. You know what you get over? You have whiskey, right? You like whiskey? Do you like drugs? You like cocaine? Can you do drugs? Can you still do coke? Like that? Okay. What's your name? Igor. Dale con el Igor. Igor and Monica doing some crack. I was a Spanish interpreter for 15 years. And you hear the most incredible shit when you're doing Spanish interpreting. And some stuff that's just funny. Like, for example, my dad, when I was a little kid, the phone would ring. This is when we had house phones, but the fucking microphone cord this long, and you fucking take it everywhere. They're like, hey, My dad would answer the phone. That motherfucker, we didn't have call ID back then. That's right before call ID. You just pick up the fucking phone. And in my house, everybody would look at that fucking phone like we were cavemen seeing fire for the first time. No, like, they're pushing something too. My dad's like, I don't pinche teléfono. Hello, ¿quién es? ¿Quién es? And it was always a telemarketer, right? He's like, mijo, get the phone. Who is it? Goofy, interpolate. No, I'm not gonna interpolate. It's the INS. I'm like, oh. If the INS is calling, I have to interpolate. Fucking, I pick up the other line and I breathe. I'm a little kid, so I breathe heavy already. Hello? Oh, hi, yeah. And it was, you know what it was? It wasn't the INS. It's a pendejo, my dad. He didn't hear right. He doesn't. He's the kind of guy like everybody else that listens only so he can reply, right? The lady had said this. In that short time, she said, hi, I'm calling you from AT&T long distance. We were offering you a new international plan to call Mexico. My name is Inez. Ese pendejo thought she said, this is the INS. And he said, INS? Oh, don't come. We're going back tomorrow. He's a U.S. citizen. I go, where are we gonna go, Dad? So I became, and then every time that he needed to do something, it was me on the phone, right? I was his personal secretary, bitch. Not that secretaries are bitches, but you know, we want to make an anti-feminist reference for this joke. You could hear the telemarketer asking my dad to confirm some info, right? And sir, what is your address? We used to live on a nice cul-de-sac. Somebody mentioned cul-de-sac, sir. It was a nice one. It was on a nice street named Golden Meadows. And my dad decided to change the name of the street. What's your address, sir? Oh, we live on the 123 in those Golden Meadows. Can you spell your middle name? My dad's middle name is Guadalupe. Yeah, it's a G, you know, pues una G, you know, una D, you know, pues Lupe, pendeja Lupe, you know, no, I like fat chicks. No, and you know, I like bigger, because a lot of people talk about fat chicks in a negative way. I like the fatter the fucking better, you know, the kind of like, you know which one's fat, exactly. You know, I know, nobody's ever fat. You know which ones I like, sir, and you probably fuck some of them too, check it out. No, I'm only saying that because you smell like Crisco, but listen, if you haven't, you know which ones I like? The ones with the big fucking round body, así amade, but the regular size head. Yeah. Esas pinches cabronas, you get on top of these creatures, right? And nothing will touch the bed. Pasas el chin. Pasas el pinche remote. Reacting like Spider-Man. Not my webs! And I'm afraid of heights, so I was walking on top of her, I'm like, fuck, I hope this bitch doesn't sneeze. And then I always go, well, you shouldn't be such an asshole. I really like fat chicks, I do. I like all the chicks. But like the skinny chicks, the hot ones, they're mamonas, las pinches culerías. Right? They're always conceited, right? You can't even fucking look at it, right? That's why you're alone, bro, because those bitches are like, nah, I'm busy. They're not busy. They're just loving all the attention and they're rejecting everybody. But fuck them, they're gonna get old and their noses are gonna fall off like those bitches that left them. You'll see. You'll be vindicated. I gotta go, guys. But listen, I just wanna say, fat chicks are the best. My black friends always say, more cushion for the pushing. Not true. I'm a Hispanic, and if I see a fat chick, I know that. There's food in that fucking fridge. I'm the wolf. Thank you guys very much. Thank you.
One more time for Wolf. Some people are in a different things. Like, I tried to have sex